Sometimes it so happens that we become very overconfident while we are studying. Now, it's very hard to define that thin boundary which differentiates confidence and overconfidence. In extreme cases, you would be obviously able to see that the person is overconfident, always boasting about oneself. But in other circumstances, actually, it's very hard to determine that you are on a wrong track of getting overconfident. So make sure we always say knowledge is powerful, but at the same time, don't miss the fact that knowledge is unlimited. It's at no point that you can have all knowledge with you. So life is a phase of constant learning. Once you reach the top, you would realize there is a huge ocean in front of you. You cannot know everything, but you always should desire to know a lot. So, a teacher who is teaching is not perfect. A scientist who is doing a research is not perfect. All have things to learn, and unless and until they learn, they cannot bring the best out of themselves. The same happens with a student. You, as a student, always have ample opportunities to learn. So, never think that you have a complete knowledge. It's that mistake that would actually fall you. So make sure you have to be a well versed, well read candidate, and a well versed, well read candidate would never say, I know everything. There is no end to knowledge. Knowledge is a constant endeavor, knowledge is limitless. You are constantly striving to learn more, and therefore, it's more important to always identify who have been leading you, who are the ones whom you can follow, and that would be one of the indicators that would help you excel. The higher things you consider in that phenomena, the better you would get the results for the same. So that was for this session. So make sure you are never overconfident, you are always humble, not making fun of others. Some of the watch telltale signs to identify that you are on the right track.